Hey, hi. So sometimes you may be doing a lot of stuff in Gemini. You're creating images, you're creating, videos and all that stuff. And it reaches a moment you want to create maybe a prompt. You don't want an image, you don't want a video, but still, Gemini gives you an image. I don't know if someone has seen that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can rectify that. Instead of getting images, videos, you want a prompt, you want a text, but Gemini is giving you actually images or it's giving you videos. So I have this image. I was trying to have a perfect prompt on it. It's kind of a part of a movie that I'm really doing. So I wanted an advice from Gemini on how I can, describe that scene where like the camera is going to zoom out and something like that. So I wanted really a professional prompt I can use, but which is kind of compatible with this image. So I told Gemini like I want a prompt compatible with this image above to define this scene. Then I define the scene that I want. So here down I told Gemini want just a prompt, not video. I just want a prompt, not video. In other words, it was giving me, video stuff whenever I was executing. I wanted prompt, requests, prompt examples, or prompt text. So when I ran this, actually it gave me an image again. Okay, so how do you avoid this? Sometimes you just have to. Do you see here below where you describe whatever you're describing? Sometimes you are locked to image. Okay, now this kind of comes automatically when you're creating images a lot. Okay, nano banana comes in play, and sometimes it can lock itself to images. So even if you say I want a prompt text, it still will create your image because here this is locked to image. So all you have to do is you have to come here, then you remove this image. Okay, and you run the same prompt. So let me just run this. Here, you can say I want a prompt compatible with the image above. So since the image above is really far, here above, let me just attach the image again. Then I try to see if it's going to give me a prompt. Okay, so I think my image is, where's my image? I think this is my image. Okay, let me use this. So I want a prompt combined with this image above. So instead of above, I'm going to say attached because this time I'm to define the scene. And okay, so let me kind of do this. Okay. Now this time it will kind of not bring me images. Or it won't bring me a video. It will bring me kind of a prompt that I can run against that image. The reason why sometimes I do this is I want really a prompt which is compatible with the image conditions and something like that. So here's detailed prompt designed to generate a video scene you describe, maintaining the consistency of the character and the setting from your image. So that is why actually I do like this. So I end up with a prompt, okay, not image or video. So this is how you can tell Gemini to kind of give you prompt in case it's stubborn and it's giving you images and videos. Okay, so that is it. And for those of you who are wondering where you kind of bring that image settings is you come to tools. This is where you select actually images, create videos and all that stuff. So sometimes it's looked to create images. Okay, so make sure there's nothing here. If you have here a video image, you just have to remove this. If you have here like create videos, I think this one will take you to Pro. So that is it, guys. If you're interested in videos more about, creating videos with AI, using Gemini, using ChatGPT, video generation with AI, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll be talking a lot about using Gemini to do videos. Okay. See you in the next video and bye-bye.